morning. I'm Carla.
I'm Daniel.
And we are
Hoovers on the Move.
All right, guys, we are officially in 4233. One of our suitcases just arrived. So I'm going to use my trusty little card here to open it up and take a look. Oh, there's Mr. Daniel.
Hey.
Ah, he's checking out what's going on the ship now. All right, so we just came in the front door right there, and this is brand new ship, guys. And the lighting right here is quite low, just to tell you. So we're right here at the door. If you turn to my right, you're gonna have the temperature. We already definitely have it down all the way. It does require a key card. They leave one here for you to use. And then it has the lights. This one turns on the light above me, and this one turns on all the room lights. Then when you go straight across, you're gonna have this set of cabinets. It's a little bit indented, so it's a little bit shallower. Plenty of hangers and shelves. But these are cool. These are new. They got drawers, and then look at this. It's like one great big drawer that comes out. And they're pretty self-closing. These come up, so then that way you can have more hanging space if you need it. That's pretty awesome. If you don't have enough hangers, you can always ask your steward and they'll bring you some more. Then you have the bigger one here that opens up. Backpacks are not included. That's mine. And you'll have more hanging space, more shelving. Okay, but then you're also going to have the folding mirror right here, the whole door. And I just put fingerprints on it. Oops. And then as you're seeing this, this is the hallway. It's a little tight, just to let you know. And then we have the light switch for the bathroom. We have 3 hooks. Of course, we have the little snoozing sign. Let's check out the bathroom. It's pretty cozy. I like it. So the toilet has pretty good space. Like I will have to test this out, you know. And we have 2 shelves, tissue, toilet paper, all the goods. Another nice good mirror, makeup mirror. And then right here above the toilet, they have your towels. Now this room, this is the shower, is set up for 4 people. No, I don't have 4 people. It has a little shelf there for your soaps, shower gel and shampoo, the on and offs and hot and colds. Look at that, ladies. We have a place to put our legs so we can shave. Some handlebars. Oh, and the clothesline, so you can dry your bathing suits. And I like the way this door opens and closes. We'll have to test this out. I'm excited about no shower curtain. It's not gonna get stuck. Oh, check this door out. It's staying open, like it doesn't shut on you. And there's 3 hooks right there for you to be able to hang things on. So we're gonna close the door. So now just to kind of give you a reference. Now I'm up against the door. Mr. Daniel's all the way over there on the couch. We have a nice bed. They did tuck in all the corners so that way you can actually see the corner of the bed, guys. That way you don't hit yourself. This is interesting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this or not. We're gonna have to test this one out too, because this shelving right here by the bed, that kind of looks a little strange. They do have lights and little reading lights and USBs. And then the backlighting on the bed decor is really quite nice. That's your air conditioner. And then you have this big, big light fixture on the ceiling.
It's like a flying saucer.
I'm telling you.
Wake up from your dream and look up and there's a flying saucer over you.
Light switches are right there by your bed. Now you can have this one split into two, so then you'd have two twins and you could sleep 4 individuals in here. So nice big screen TV, flat screen, right across from the bed. I love that. So see how much room there is? I'm kind of, look, I don't know. We'll see.
Can your head fit through there?
I know. So on this side of the bed, we have another nightstand, another reading lamp. By the couch right here, we're gonna have a cute little table. That's so that the person who is sleeping here will be able to have a little storage by their bed too. Now there's no outlets over here. So,
and this couch right here, it does come out into a
it
bed.
makes a bed.
There is no underneath storage on this one like in some others.
Yes, there is. If you take right there.
This goes up.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's where the bed folds out.
I see what you're saying now.
Yeah.
They have some artwork right there behind Daniel's head. Look at this. We already have a towel animal.
My buddy.
We have special towels, guys. Those are our pool towels.
Yeah. And me and him, we were just talking about, just make sure when you get on the ship, one of the first things you should do is go do your mustard. You know, which they will be reminding you about every 5 minutes that you need to go down and get your mustard done. You can get on the Hub app. Get the Hub app if you don't have it. And make sure to get on the Carnival Wi-Fi. And when you do that, you can go onto the Hub app, and it will actually tell you where your mustard station is, and even put you a map. They'll tell you, you know, we're going to be at A6, and so that's where we've got to go to get our mustard done. And it even has view in ship maps. So it can even show you by using a map.
Just to tell you too, like on your card, it does have it on here as well.
Yeah.
In case you forget or you get, you know, scared if something did happen.
And then just in case, they got a map.
They got a map.
It's on the Hub app.
So, now that this is the bed. That's the TV against the wall. Now we're going to go along this wall, and you're going to see there's a nice big mirror right here. So that way, ladies, if your man's in there, you can come out here. They have a trash can right here. They have a stool right here that you can sit on, but it's also storage. Oh, and it flips over to where it can be a table. So like if you had room service delivered, guess what? And I can't fix it if you want.
He's one-handed over here.
I'm one-handed. All right, so we got our remote. We got our fun times right here that we've got to read over. We have some plugging situations going on there. USB, basic plugs, you know, because this is Texas. They don't have no European ones in here.
Whoop, whoop.
Scan this and you can see what the room service is. Telephone. We have some storage right here. Some little shelving units. These waters right here, quite expensive. Be careful, people. Just saying.
That is an extra charge.
It is an extra charge. Coke's not included. We had to bring those. Don't have a drink package this time. Oh, looky there, top drawer. We got security guides and port directory. We also have
Laundry bag.
laundry bags. And then we got 2 more drawers.
Check out how the drawer's shut.
Hair dryer. All in a bag.
In a bag.
Look at this.
Ding.
Self-closing. Another drawer. There's plenty of space in here. Let me tell you. Oh, I'm going to take a seat. And then, look at this refrigerator. Oh, it has a light. You can move the shelves around, I see. It is cold. The air's coming out of it. I can feel it. And it's glass. So that way you can see what you got in there.
You put stuff there right there in the door.
That's so cool. So I guess you guys are wondering, why do we have a curtain on the wall? We're not an interior room, are we? Are we? No. But I have something to show you.
Hold your eyes.
Hold your eyes. It's gonna blind you. Ah! Oh my goodness. Guess where my towel animals are going? You can already imagine. Right here. We have an ocean view, so that way we can see what's going on and we're portside. So, with that being said, that is our room tour for a day. What were you doing?
Nothing.
Was
I
you
did
caught?
nothing.
And we're gonna read some materials, find out what all's going on, get ready to go to our muster, because we need to get that done, watch our video, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Sail away.
Sail away.
Boom, baby.
It's coming up. All right, stay tuned.